The majority of rural and urban population of India depend upon both surface and groundwater sources like dug wells, ponds, tube wells and rivers for drinking water. Since the groundwater level is depleting day by day due to over-exploitation of groundwater sources and other environmental effects, the quality of water rich in sediments, suspended particles, iron and certain microorganisms is deteriorating. Most of the people who live in India consume this water and it has affected their health heavily. The water contaminated with iron and other particles create too much iron in water which produces a metallic taste as well as make the food turn black during cooking. There are health risks also with iron in water. Iron may cause conjunctivitis, choroiditis and retinitis if it contacts and remains in the tissues. At this critical situation, the scientists from the Institute of Minerals and Materials Technology, Bhubaneswar of the Odisha state of India, have come out with low-cost water filters to turbid raw water into clean drinking water. The new innovative low-cost technology is developed by the Scientist S.Khuntia, Head of Design and Rural Technology, with a team of dedicated scientists under the guidance and support of the Director of IMMT, Professor B.K. Mishra. They made the technology so simple that this filter disc can be manufactured even in rural areas with locally available resources like pottery clay, sand and wood sawdust. With the combination of these three materials by proper grading and proportionate mixing and molding, the filter disc can be made and be burnt in the kiln at a temperature of 800 degrees centigrade. This filter is called Terafil. Suspended particles, sediments, iron and many heavy metals, microorganisms, color and bad odor, etc. are separated from the raw water effectively during filtration without clogging the core of the Terafil. Terafil removes 96 to 99% turbidity, 90 to 99% bacteria, 90 to 99% iron, color and foul odor of water. There is no side effect since no chemical is used, and it also delivers good quality drinking water with a high flow rate. It was first introduced in the Odisha state of India in individual households and in later stage in Uttar Pradesh and Meghalaya. After studying deeply about the performance and quality of water delivered through this Terafil filter, the scientists have decided to transfer the technology throughout India by transferring the technical know-how and issuing licenses to manufacture the same through local entrepreneurs. Now, the Government of India has come out with a mission of pure drinking water to all and provided a lot of funds to the state governments to build Terafil filtration units wherever water was found contaminated with iron. The first state to adopt this Terafil technology is Karnataka in a large-scale community-based filtration units through the Panchayat Raj department to provide pure drinking water to the people of rural area where the water got contaminated with iron and turbidity. For every 250 inhabitants, one Terafil filtration unit is provided. As a pilot project, it was undertaken in Chikmagalur and Madikeri by the Karnataka State Government Panchayat Raj Department and implemented through an organization called Messrs. Farmland Rainwater Harvesting Systems, who have vast experience in water management. Here are the highlights of this project. For every 250 inhabitants, one Terafil filtration unit is built. The pilot project was initially taken up where iron contents in the water was more in areas like Chikmagalur and Madikeri districts. The Terafil discs were successfully manufactured locally by Messrs. Farmland Rainwater Harvesting Systems with the guidance of the inventor of Terafil, Scientist Mr. S.Khuntia, and the engineers of the Panchayat Raj department. The Terafil tank is built above the ground level to a total height of 1 meter and 2 meters in diameter with a raw water holding capacity of 2,500 liters. $220mm Terafil discs are placed at the lower portion of the raw water tank, and this facilitates the filtered water to the side by the underground tank. In less than 15 hours, 2,500 liters of filtered water can be collected and stored in the underground tank. To draw the water, simple and self-priming positive head pump is provided. Even women and children can pump out the water easily. The other main advantage of this pump is to clean the deposit of iron oxide sludge over terafils by fixing a high-pressure pipe with a spray nozzle to the pump. The whole Terafil filtration unit does not require any external energy source like electric power or fossil fuel to operate the system. The Terafil filter works with gravity pressure to fill the underground tank, and the hand pump is designed to draw the water manually. The quality of water after filtration is iron-free and pure, and many people are benefited by this government Terafil scheme. The Scientist S.Khuntia and Director Professor B.K. Mishra have visited the site of installations at Chikmagalur. This is what the beneficiaries of the filtration system and scheme had to say.
अभी पानी अच्छा लगता है? अच्छा है। अच्छा है। और खाना पकाने में? खाना पकाने में अच्छा है। सब भी अच्छा है हमारे। बोले तो बढ़िया आनंद है। सिटी में पीने के लिए पानी नहीं रहते हैं। बल्लागी पानी है। हमारे गाँव में बल्लागी बहुत पानी है।
Quality of water before and after the filtration. Director of IMMT Professor B.K. Mishra and Scientist S.Khuntia at Terafil manufacturing site at Chikmagalur. Chief Engineer and other government officials of Panchayat Raj Engineering Division interacting with the beneficiaries. Testing of Terafil disc filtration rating and quality of water before dispatching it to the site for installation. In view of the harmful effects of climate change, like drought and flood that causes water contamination, which severely affect the health of people, let us join hands in our endeavor to reach safe and pure drinking water to one and all. It is our sincere wish that this unique, innovative, efficient, eco-friendly, low-cost technology reach the rural and the urban people across the length and breadth of our country.